Alright, here everyone. Today I'm traveling to Florida for 4 nights and 5 days, and I just want to show you real quick what I pack when I travel out of town, especially if I'm going to take a flight. And I also want to show you what I'm wearing, because usually when you go on the planes are mad cold, and unless you like being cold, you're gonna be cold. Alright, so this is like a romper thing, a jumper thing that I got from Target clearance. The Target on Flatbush really has some good deals on clearance a lot of times. These are all the things. I don't know how everything is going to fit in the carry-on and this little traveling bag. I may have to leave some stuff, but let me just run through everything that I have real quick. So this is like a little pulley that I got from Bashco a long time ago. I think maybe over 10 years ago or something like that. I don't remember. This is Dejan's uniform thingy. I'm gonna pack. Okay, so this is a convertible bag. Like, you could wear it as a handbag, or you could wear it like as a knapsack. I saw Shana K feature a bag like that in her video, and I totally forgot that I had this. So she was talking about putting her laptop in there. I tried fitting my laptop. It's kind of bulky. Who cares right now? I'll make it work. Okay, I have my exercise mat, and I have my exercise shoes. I have 2 pairs of shoes for myself. I have 2 pairs of slippers. I have Dejan's shoes. Rain boots, I cannot fit these. Let me just throw these out of the equation because I do not have a suitcase. Okay, so I have like head ties. I should just walk with one of these. This is so unnecessary. Yeah, so I have head ties, underwear, this little cute purse. I don't know if I may go somewhere that I could take that. These are like blouse that I don't have any bottoms to wear. I'm like a bottomless person. You know them way there? You have one bag of tops, but you have no bottoms to go with them. So when I go there to Florida, I hope to get some cheap stuff I could wear. Alright, so all of these are exercise clothes, tights, tanks, and bra, sleepwear, 2 dresses, church, a shirt. I need a bottom for this too. I have my socks, Glade plugins just to give the hotel room, you know, a bit of a oomph in terms of smell. I didn't get to do my feet, so I walked with my foot scrubber. This is like my spray bottle. I'll just throw this in here like this because it has a lock off. This is a jar. This is not most likely to spill, so I'll just throw that in there like that too. Now for like these type of bottles, like the perfume, you don't want the bottle top to fall off, and then you know the perfume is gonna spill. And then you have, this is a sunscreen. Now this, I got these little these are actually pencil holders that I got from the Dollar Tree a few years ago. I was working on a project and I didn't do the project, so I just had them lying around here, and in each one of them I just put stuff in there because they look like really neat and cute. So these are combs, pedicure stuff, makeup, makeup brushes and sponge, toiletries, what is this, my spin brush for my face, and I got some gel. I usually pick up these little containers from like the dollar store because they always come in handy. So this is gel, this is lotion, and I taped everything. And also I am walking with tape so I could tape them back when I'm ready to pack again. This is makeup remover, this is face wash, and of course we have sunscreen. It's summer, we all need sunscreen, even though, you know, I'm black people wear sunscreen too. And then you have Dejan's clothing. I won't go through that because this is not about his stuff, so I'm just gonna run right in and just work a miracle and see what I could fit into these 2 carry-on pieces. But I am going to check in the black bag, I think, because the black bag will have the most weight. So let's see how that works. For the shoes, I got all these Walmart bags here. I usually put my shoes in Ziploc bags, but I ran out of the big size ones. So I'll just put the shoes in these and then I'll put them in the black traveling bag. I fit everything miraculously except the exercise mat. It will have to stay. And these are the shoes that I'm gonna wear with the outfit. It kind of has the same, what would you call it, contrast. And real quick, I have I put some makeup powder and brush in here, and I have my little notebook. I'm following Shana K by putting my laptop in the bag, but my laptop is way too big or the bag is way too small. I have my wallet, I have chargers for my phone, I have what would you call this, my power pack. I have two. I have my laptop charger, I have my earbud, I have my external drive, passports secured in that section. I have mask and I have my sunshades. I think that's all that I have in here. Oh, and I have this small little smell bad tube of lotion because you cannot take certain amount of, what would you call it, liquids on the plane. And we're good to go. Yes, so thanks for watching the video. I don't want to be late more than how I'm late. I wanted to leave at 9 and I am like a half hour to an hour behind schedule, but I should be okay. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.